Hey everyone, and today we are going to talk about your $1 million year. I am Christia'n Annice from Rich Girl Code Academy. If this is your first time here, welcome. Today we're going to go over that $1 million plan, that everyone talks about, but we're going to condense it so that it can feel manageable. All right. So I hope you're ready to go over your $1 million year because you're going to hear a lot of this in the Rich Girl Code Academy because that's what we like to aim for, those high numbers. All right. But they have to be manageable. So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to make it manageable for you. All right. So I hope you're ready. So let's dive right into it. Now, your $1 million year, this is what a $1 million year looks like. It's $84,000 per month, which is $3,000 per day. Now, that may seem like, you know what, $3,000 per day, where am I going to find the customers that are going to purchase this product or service? Well, we understand that. So we condensed it to $1,500. All right. That's something that's more manageable. And we feel like you can find two customers a day that'd be willing to pay $1,500. I mean, come on, we're talking about $1 million a year business. All right. So we can't sit here and have low numbers. We got to have something that is kind of high value and high range. And $1,500 can be attained. All right. So sell two $1,500 products or services a day, which equals the $3,000. All right, we're in agreement. So let's move on. But what to sell? So step number one, you need to create a high value bundle to sell at $1,500. And the key word here is bundle. All right. So you're going to create that $1,500 bundle, which can include an online course, digital download, mentorship, a service, etc. It's up to you as the boss to figure out what your high value bundle is going to be. Next, you want to create a freebie. Yes, there goes that freebie. So, what you're going to do is create a freebie that's going to gain attraction, all right? Get attention towards you, your product, your service, or whatever it is that you want people to buy, all right? So, you can host a free online webinar, provide lots of value because what you're going to do is show your audience and show the community that you know what you're talking about, or that whatever product you have or service you have can help them in some way, shape, or form, can provide them with a really great solution, all right? Can save them money, can save them time, can put them ahead of the game. I mean, whatever it is, you have to package it in a way that shows great value to that customer, all right? Without giving it away, without giving away your actual product or service. All right, so step number three, show the process and make it easy. So, what you want to do now is cover the emotional challenges and show how your solution can help them in any way possible. All right, so, but you want to break it down to make it very easy and something that they can accomplish either on their own or through the use of your product and or service. Next, step four. Now is the time for you to ask for the sale. Yes, do not be afraid to ask for the sale. There are people out there that have money to give you. So do not be afraid to ask for the sale. I have to repeat that because a lot of times people are afraid to ask for that sale. Even though it's not coming out of their mouths, it's on the internet, on their website, they're still afraid to ask. So I'm telling you right now, put it out there. And then make it manageable because again, we want to make it manageable and accessible to our customer and client. So have a payment plan option on there, all right? Because when you deal with high value products or services that you're selling, you always want to make sure that there are payment plans available or something put in place so that your customer and your buyer can easily purchase, because not everyone is just sitting on 1,500 at the time, but in 2 weeks they can have a payment ready for you or whatever the case may be. So just keep that in mind, because when you sell a high value product or service, you must give your buyer payment options like Afterpay or Affirm. All right, so you're gonna lock in those two sales a day and you've accomplished your 3K day. But Christian, what kind of bundle can I create? Well, I'm glad you asked. All right, so a bundle that you can create is like something like this. I'm in the business development industry. So, I would create an Empire Builder Pro package. All right. So, this is for business professionals that need that whole, professional bundle put together, and they don't have the time. They don't, whatever. So, I'm here to provide that service. I'm providing that solution. And for that, it's $1,500. And I do feel like I can find two people a day that need this service, all right, or need this product. And I know this to be true because I've done it. I do it every day for customers and clients. So I'm just giving you a breakdown of how something like this would actually look. So, to unlock the path to successful and fundable business empire with our comprehensive bundle, all right, because it's all in one. So, what's included? You have your online course, you have an Empire Builder Mastery, personalized mentorship, exclusive resource library, weekly webinar series, private community membership, and a bonus Empire building blueprint. All right, you always want to give them that bonus, because why not? All right, you're providing value. Next, the pricing is $1,500, and I make it easy because you have 4 easy payments of $375. And the benefits, you always got to show people the benefits, because if they're going to be spending their money, they want to know what they're getting for their dollar, right? Wouldn't you? So give them the benefits, gain essential business skills, overcome emotional challenges, receive expert mentorship, access valuable resources, join a supportive community, and create a fundable empire. And now you've provided a solution to these people's problem, all right? And a call to action. If you're not providing a call to action to every ad or every marketing content that you put out there, you're missing out. You're not doing yourself or your business justice. So you have to have that call to action, create that FOMO, fear of missing out. So don't miss out. Secure your spot now to build your business empire. Limited availability. Act fast to start your journey towards success, because you know that with this bundle, they're going to have a successful road journey when it comes to building their business empire, because this is what you do. This is the service you provide to help become the solution to this ongoing problem within our business society. All right, a lot of people don't have the time to put this together or the know-how, but you do as the professional. All right, so this is something that you can implement into your services or products or whatever the case may be. Go ahead, feel free to use it, because this is a product in a bundle that people pay for, and actually pay close to $2,000 for. I just put 1,500. But yes, so once you get into that range of getting clients and customers that be willing to pay that type of money for a product and for a service, that's when you will see your $1,000,000 year. This is Christia'n Annice from Rich Girl Code Academy. Until next time, peace and blessings.